With an increasing progress in science and the continuous development of table tennis skills, more and more players and researchers are being attracted to table tennis, a sport that can benefit from high-quality biomechanical research. This method can objectively reflect the difference in ground reaction force between chase-step and cross-step footwork, and provide information for the generation of optimization power. A researcher new to the field must first understand the principle of a ground reaction and what the ground reaction can reflect.
To begin, insert the USB dongle into the PC's parallel port and switch on the motion capture infrared cameras and the analog to digital converter. After ensuring that there are no obstacles in the experimental environment, double-click the software icon on the desktop to open the tracking software. Every camera node will show a green light if the hardware connection is fine. Then, in the local system, select 8 cameras and click on Camera in the perspective window. Set the strobe intensity between 0.95 to 1, grayscale mode to auto, gain to ×1, threshold between 0.2 to 0.4, minimum circularity ratio to 0.5, and max blob height to 50. Next, place the T correction rack in the center of the shooting area. After selecting 8 cameras in the system, use a 2D model to confirm that the camera can discern T correction and that there are no noise points. Then, place the T correction rack in the center of the camera area and click on